Rolling.
We all want to be happy in life. We all want to be successful. What does it depend on? All depends on me, self. Whether I want to be a good leader, whether I want to be a good team player, or whether I want to be a good human being, all depends on me. Many of us do not understand myself. We perceive ourselves to be something, and that perception is generally different from the reality. Most of us underestimate ourselves. Let's imagine for a minute that I perceive myself to be a 40-watt bulb. Now, if I'm a 40-watt bulb, what happens to the area around me? On the floor, I will see a circle, and this circle is of light that 40-watt bulb can throw. So there's a certain diameter and there is a certain intensity. What if I, through various processes, exercises, training, realize that I'm not a 40-watt bulb, I'm a 60-watt bulb or a 100-watt bulb? What do you think should happen to this light? The circle of light expands, the diameter goes up, and the intensity of the light increases. This is exactly what happens in life when what I call it inside out, I take a deep sea dive into myself to know what I am. And when I work on it, I realize that I am a person better than what I thought I was. Then not only my own productivity, but to the environment I make a difference. The environment gains more out of it, whether it's my team at work, whether it's my family members, whether it's my friends, whether it's a community. So I radiate more than what I was doing earlier because I start believing, it's a belief system, I believe that now I'm a 60-watt bulb or a 100-watt bulb. This is exactly what we do in our programs, where we are talking about understanding self and enhancing our own productivity through various exercises, activities and methods, and no lectures. All our programs, as I said, are inside out. First understand what I am and then give to the world around you. I am Brigadier Sushil Bhasin. I have 34 years of experience in HR and training in the Indian Army, and for the last 10 years been doing programs in the civil world. Done programs for students, for colleges, for teachers, for principals, for corporates, for anyone at all, whether you do individual programs or you do team programs. So feel free to contact me on my blog www.sushilbhasin.co.in for any type of programs you want to do on these lines. Thank you.